I recently tried the PUREPLUS Pro refrigerator water filter replacement for my fridge. It's a 3-pack, which is super convenient. These filters are replacements for many models. Think of them as a superhero for your water. They replace HDX FMG-1, Place 100, and WFC 1201. Also, they work with PC 75009, RWF 1060, and RWF 0600A. Even 469,991 refrigerator cartridges are covered. This wide compatibility is a big plus. When you install one, it's like giving your water a fresh start. You immediately notice cleaner, better tasting water. After all, nobody wants funky water. This PUREPLUS Pro NSF Fridge Filters 3-pack delivers. Furthermore, these filters boast important certifications. They are NSF ANSI 53 and 42 certified. This means they meet strict standards. It's like a gold star for safety and effectiveness. NSF 53 tackles health-related contaminants. This includes lead and cysts. NSF 42 focuses on aesthetic impurities. Think chlorine taste and odor. So, your water isn't just clear. It's also safer and more enjoyable. Therefore, you can trust what you are drinking. The PUREPLUS Pro NSF Fridge Filters 3-pack truly purifies your water. This gives great peace of mind. Moreover, the installation is a breeze. It just twists right in. Finally, getting a 3-pack is economical. You won't run out quickly. Each filter lasts a good while. This means fewer trips to the store. Consequently, you save time and effort. In my experience, these filters perform consistently. My family drinks more water now. The improved taste really makes a difference. Overall, I highly recommend the PUREPLUS Pro NSF Fridge Filters 3-pack. It's an investment in your health. Plus, it makes your beverages taste better. So, if your fridge needs a new filter, consider these. They truly are a great choice. Pros: last the longest between changes, water tastes better longer, work great, affordable. Alternative: excellent value, fits and works well, more affordable than name brand, good value. Perfect fit, water tastes great. Cons: water dispenser drips after use. Requires multiple reinstallation attempts. Water flow may be too high. Instant water flow over time. Difficult to locate in stores. Features. Certifications: NSF ANSI 53 and 42 filter type. Refrigerator water replaces. HDX FMG-1 replaces. Place 100 replaces. WFC 1201 replaces. PC 75009 replaces. RWF 1060 replaces. RWF 0600A replaces. 469,991. Easy to replace. The PUREPLUS Pro refrigerator water filter is a replacement filter for many refrigerator brands. It's certified by NSF ANSI 53 and 42, which means it's been tested and proven to make your water safer and taste better. This filter can replace popular models like the HDX FMG-1, Place 100, and others, making it a versatile choice. It's also designed to be easy to replace, so you can quickly get fresh, clean water from your fridge. The PUREPLUS Pro refrigerator water filter is a good and affordable choice that makes your water taste great for a long time. It's easy to install and fits well in many refrigerators, making it a good alternative to more expensive brands. However, some people have experienced issues like the water dispenser dripping after use, needing to reinstall it multiple times, or inconsistent water flow. It can also be hard to find in stores.